Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Look at the laptop, it's getting so dirty. And when I tell people that I wash my laptop to keep it clean, they don't believe it. So I'm going to wash it in front of you. No, not like this. I'll wash it, but not like this. Okay, first of all, to keep the laptop clean, you should make the keyboard clean. First of all, I'll make this keyboard clean and let me show you how to do it. And 1 minute. Let me shut down the laptop and see there are some marks on the screen as well. Let's have a closer look if you can see it. I'll clean them. Okay. Save and shut down the laptop, and I'll show you even after washing it, it will work properly. Okay, first of all, we'll make this keyboard clean. Put the laptop like this and tap it from the back side. Yes, tap it and see. I don't know if it is visible in the video. Can you see these particles? These are the dust and dirt particles coming out from the keyboard. Let me tap it once again on the screen. Let me put the laptop like this and now tap it. Now tap it from the back side and open it. Oh, be careful. See, there is dust on it. Okay. First of all, we have to clean the keyboard and then we will wash the body. Okay, keeping the keyboard clean is must, because if you will not clean it, the dust will later stuck under the keys and the keys will stop working. Many people say that our keyboard is not working, this key is not working, that key is not working. This is because we don't clean it. We should clean the laptop and the keys properly and regularly. Okay, now I'll show you how I'll clean it. I'll take some water and I'll put some this dishwashing liquid in it, and I'll mix it with the finger. I don't have sensitive skin, so I can use anything. I'll dip this cloth. I'll not use this dishwashing sponge. We can use this as well, but I'm not using it. I'm using this cloth. And see, I'm washing it. And I'll do the same with the screen as well. And be careful, water may not go in the speakers. Just do this with it and that's it. And after this, just clean it with a dry cloth. And I'll make the cloth wet and will clean it again as well, so that any soap may not left here on the laptop. And see, it's clean. It's clean. Now there are no stains. Instead of using any sprays or any liquids, we can do this, and it is the easiest and cheapest way of keeping the laptop clean and work. Okay, now it's all done. Let me get another cloth to dry it. I'll dry it later. After the video. Let me just show you that it's perfectly working even after washing it. And turned it on. sometimes it takes little bit longer. I don't know if it's going to on or not. Wait. There is light in the keys. Yes, it's on now. Oh my god. I got confused that if it's going to on or not. Let me get another cloth. Another dry cloth to clean it. Yes, it's perfectly working, and let's see if the pen is working or not. It's working. See, it's working. The cleaning has done no damage to it. So clean your laptop, clean your mobile screens and mobiles. You can wash your mobiles as well. And you should wash, because when we go to hospitals or at any public places, mobile is the thing that is carrying the most germs to your house. So instead of uh, instead of sanitizing it, washing it is better. For me, I wash the things like this. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.